Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your password in Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Gmail and then select the gear icon up at the top right. And now you want to select See All Settings. Select Accounts and Import tab up at the top. Underneath Change Account Settings, select Change Password. And now at this point, you will need to enter back in your sign-in credentials. So now at this point, you would go ahead and enter in your new password and you would confirm it. You would have to meet certain complexity requirements and then you would select change password. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.